What's the meaning of carriage? Carriage. Carriage.
Carriage. Carriage. The term carriage can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to a vehicle or a piece of equipment used for transportation. It may specifically refer to a horse-drawn carriage used for transportation, or a part of a train that carries passengers. In computing, carriage return refers to the action of returning the cursor to the beginning of a line. A carriage bolt is a type of fastener used to secure items to wood. Overall, carriage typically relates to transportation or fastening.